hospitals are now more patient centric than before, because the reason behind this, now patient is also very much aware than before. So, and if you want to run a successful organization as a healthcare provider or as a diagnostic provider, you have to be very patient centric. So these days we are actually focusing on patient, his need, his comfort, what he wants. That is why we are using AI and digital things. And the gap you are asking is that every hospital is having their own system, own kind of software, or own you can say culture. So every hospital is having different kind of things, which I think after some time, when everybody will adopt ABDM, everybody should be on the same platform, everybody will be on a same platform, and then we can bridge this gap, and the patient will get this benefit, that if he is in America, in Bombay, anywhere, he can access his data, and other hospitals can, treat them. So it's not always you are carrying big files with you. Technology played a major role, especially at the time of Corona, because before that, telemedicine was not authorized even. So when Corona came, and there was a big gap between doctors and patients, and nobody was coming out of the home. That time, we can understand that how technology is playing a not only major role but good role. So I think it's a very good that we should go with the telemedicine. Not only telemedicine, these days teleradiology, telepathology, everything is doing very well. So there is no gap now, because all the hospitals who are having big hospitals, everybody is adopting these kind of technologies, and we should. But at the end, I must say that nobody can take place of a doctor, that human touch. I am working with ELETs from many years, and they are calling me for conferences and whatever ways. I really appreciate, because they are always focusing on patient and patient centricity, which is the best thing for a healthcare conference. We all the time talking about technology or other things, but where is patient? So because ELETs is focusing on patient, I really appreciate, and their arrangements are always good. Speakers are tremendous. My panel was really full of all the brains. Thank you so much.